Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a meerkat? These small, incredibly social animals live a life packed with drama, teamwork, and clever survival tricks in the harsh deserts of southern Africa. Let's dive into the fascinating world of a meerkat mob. A meerkat's journey begins underground. After about 2 months, a mother gives birth to a litter of 2 to 5 pups, born blind, hairless, and totally helpless. These tiny babies depend completely on the group for survival. They stay tucked away in the safety of the burrow while the whole family, not just the parents, chips in. These babysitters guard the den and even help feed the pups, showing how vital cooperation is from day one. It's a true "it takes a village" situation. As the pups grow, their world expands. After about 2 weeks, their eyes open and they start exploring their underground home. Soon, they're ready for their first lessons in life above ground. Under the watchful eyes of adults, they learn the essential skills: how to dig, how to hunt for tasty insects and scorpions, and how to tell friend from foe. Playtime isn't just for fun. It's serious business, teaching them agility and the complex social rules of the mob. By the time they're 4 months old, they're becoming skilled foragers, but they still stick close to the group for protection. A typical day for an adult meerkat is a master class in organization. The morning starts with the group emerging from the burrow to sunbathe and warm up. Then it's time for the main event: foraging. While most of the group has their heads down, digging for insects, lizards, and roots, at least one meerkat has a crucial job: sentry duty. You've probably seen it: a meerkat standing tall on its hind legs, scanning the skies and horizon like a tiny soldier. If a predator like an eagle or a jackal is spotted, the sentry lets out a specific alarm call, and the whole group dashes for the safety of the nearest burrow entrance. This system of vigilance is key to their survival. But it's not all work and no play. A lot of their day is spent on social bonding. Meerkats groom each other to strengthen their relationships and maintain the group's hierarchy. They also work together to maintain their extensive network of underground tunnels, which provide shelter from the blistering sun, chilly nights, and ever-present predators. Life in the desert means adapting to the seasons. During the dry season, food and water are scarce, so meerkats have to be extra efficient foragers. They might dig deeper burrows to find cooler temperatures underground. But when the rains arrive, the desert blooms. Food becomes abundant, and the group thrives. This is often when you'll see pups spending more time outside, playing and learning in a world of plenty. Their ability to switch gears depending on the season is another testament to their incredible adaptability. When a meerkat reaches about 1 year old, it's considered an adult, but that doesn't mean it gets to start its own family right away. In a meerkat mob, there's usually only one dominant breeding pair. The other subordinate members of the group play a vital role as helpers, assisting in raising the dominant pair's pups. This cooperative breeding strategy ensures that the pups have the best possible chance of survival thanks to the extra protection and food provided by the entire mob. This social structure is the bedrock of their success. From birth to adulthood, a meerkat's life is a non-stop balancing act of foraging, guarding, and cooperating. They live for about 6 to 10 years in the wild, every day, a testament to the power of teamwork. These charismatic creatures show us that in the toughest of environments, sticking together isn't just a good idea, it's the only way to survive. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the life of meerkat. If you found these little desert dwellers as amazing as we do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the animal kingdom. See you next time!